Hey, you want some steak kelaguen? I have hot white rice cooking too. The recipe is linked below and at the end of the video. You're going to love this Guam chamorro steak or beef kelaguen. Look at that. You'll need a pound or about a half kilo of tender beef. Slice it thinly. This is a stir-fried cut of the best pasture-raised meat from Reverence Farm in Graham, North Carolina. Check them out in the link below. Finish cutting all your meat. Then add a half cup or 118 milliliters fresh lemon juice, salt, fresh ginger, and stir. Kelaguen is a mixture of some type of protein like beef, chicken, or shrimp with lemon, salt, onions, and doni. Add a half cup or 50 grams chopped green onions, 1 cup or a large handful of thinly sliced yellow onions. Combine it. Then add a half cup or 118 ml calamansi juice or lemon juice and water. Add just a little bit of doni, then stir. Cover and put it in the fridge for at least 18 hours. Remove from the fridge and taste. Maybe you want to add more doni or salt. This chamorro cooking style of beef kelaguen is also excellent with chamorro tortillas. Kodamu esti nahupatinas? Did you like what I made? If so, check out more chamorro recipes linked at the end and below. Adios!